gracious Father, I come before you for these wonderful men and women of you. Called them, chosen them, anointed them, appointed them for such a time as this to serve the not only people of Kansas and their families, but Lord, to lead the nation and the nations of the world. Because Lord, you have called this great country. I've been here for 38 years. And help humanity beyond any other's imagination. Promoted peace. Rescued millions. Cared for the poor and needy. Lord, I pray in the days to come that you would give them more wisdom than ever before, wisdom of Solomon, to serve their people, but also to lead this nation and the nations of the world. Lord, it is my prayer, along with them, that the world's largest democracy in India, world's second largest democracy, the United States of America, my adopted nation, will work together to face the threats of other nations, but to bring the 200 countries together. Because you said, I give you my peace. You are the Prince of Peace, Lord. No matter we have different political parties, but Lord, we all love you, the Creator, and we all love you, Jesus, and we all love this nation, the United States, and the nations of the world. Help us, Lord, to do our part, to glorify your name, but to stop every major war. 58 wars that are involving 197 countries. Because you called this nation to lead and promote peace. Yes, we make mistakes, Lord. But Lord, bring us back so that we can be cleansed by the precious blood and lead the nations of the world.